Two somewhat unrelated questions. On the foreign controlled businesses, to the extent you're a greater than 50% shareholder of a public company, and the company has significant losses, can you pass through those losses is question number one. Question number two, and I just came from living in Puerto Rico for 4 years, so I'll tell you how I feel about U.S. taxes.
I think we're going to be good friends.
Yeah, and I love Ayn Rand's, that might tell you too. What, if anything, are you seeing from a structure standpoint here, right? We look at family offices, we look at passive investments coupled with active businesses. Obviously, there's only so much presumably one can do given the global taxation, but in general, is there anything that one is doing from a structure standpoint that's helpful?
So to your first question, can you pass through the losses? The answer is no. If it's a foreign corporation, those losses basically get trapped within the foreign corporation. I mean, if you liquidate your position, you'll get the capital loss, but as you likely know, that doesn't benefit you a lot unless you have big capital gains. In terms of a structuring for U.S. persons where you're going to get tax deferral or something like that, I mean, look, there's definitely some insurance products like whole life policies or private placement, annuities and some things like that that can be used. It's not really my area of expertise, but they are out there. I mean, the issue with structuring with them is you lose all your control, right? And it's a very sort of structured, regulated product. But in terms of tax deferral sort of structures, it becomes pretty challenging as an American.
Thanks.
And yeah, just a comment on the PPLIs. Anybody here from 1291? No? Well, anyway, so there are quite a number of products in the market, but to Jimmy's point, they are very, very precise, and the terms and conditions around them are so strict that it's highly likely that it would not work in the general course of affairs. So definitely something you want to take a deep dive into if that's something you're considering. Yeah.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.